Hi ladies, welcome back to the Soulful Shenanigans channel. I'm so excited to have you here. Today we're trying on this wig from LUVME Hair, one of our favorite hair companies. If you want to know more about the details and specifications of this wig, then keep on watching. But before we continue, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers and I am super excited for us. So make sure you do that and go ahead and continue this video. Alright, so here is everything that comes in the packaging. We have this lovely LUVME Hair box. It also includes a mesh storage bag to store your wigs in, a set of label cards in case you decide to store the wig in the box, a brown stocking cap, a custom edge brush, a custom rat tail comb, and a custom hair clip. And they also include this detailed user guide and info card. This is the Effortlessly Chic Layered Haircut Wavy Glueless HD Minimalist Lace Short Wig. It's a very long name for a wig, but that's what it's called on the website. This wig comes in two different color options, the natural black, which I have here, and you can also order it with the brown highlights. This wig also comes in three different lengths, 12, 14, and 16. The wig that I have is in the 14-inch. This is a glueless wig with a glueless cap construction. There are two combs in the front, one comb in the back, adjustable straps, and an adjustable elastic band. This wig does not come with full lace. It comes with a C-part lace closure, meaning it only has lace within the part, and it does come pre-parted on the left hand side. Even though this is a minimalist lace wig, it still comes with HD lace, and it also comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached. This is a 100% human hair wig with 150% density, and there's also an option on the website to order the wig with pre-cut lace. Hi, so here is the wig straight out of the box. I am going to go ahead and spray some lace tint spray on the lace. I'll be using my Ebin lace tint spray in the shade medium dark brown. I am almost out and I am not wanting to repurchase from this brand again. So if y'all have any good lace tint spray options, let me know down in the comments. And this wig does not come with pre-cut lace, as you can see, so I am going to go ahead and cut the lace off and then try on the wig. So for my wig prep, my hair is just slicked back into a bun, and I have on two stocking caps today because my hair was just like so poofy underneath, so I'm wearing two stocking caps to keep the hair down. And I already have the elastic band tightened on the wig, and I've already adjusted the straps. I like to make sure that the band is secured in the back before I put the rest of the wig on. Oh, I love this already, and it's a really comfortable fit around the ears. I'm not sure if they've made any adjustments to the cap construction to be more comfortable around the ears, but it definitely feels more comfortable than the other wigs that I have received. I am going to add some contour powder along the lace to darken it and to help it blend even more with my skin. And this contour palette is from Nika K. I do have it linked on my Amazon storefront if you're interested. Now I'm going to comb it out a little bit. I love that they give you everything that you need in the packaging. I love the way that feathers. So I did some playing around with this wig in the bathroom, and you'll notice that it did not have this much volume just a second ago. So I'm going to quickly show y'all how I added some extra volume to this wig. It's actually very quick and simple. You're going to take some hairspray, whatever fixing hairspray you have. This is my adhesive spray, but it's the only hairspray I have right now. Don't come for me. Okay, but this is from Effortless. You don't need this exact one. But what you're going to do is flip the hair in the opposite direction that it's in. So if it's curled, most of the curls are curled this way. I'm going to flip the hair up, and I'm going to use this section right here because it's not that much volume right here. So I'm going to use this section as an example. I'm going to flip it. And then going to spray underneath at the root. You want to make sure you spray at the root, and then use a brush and smooth it out. And when it dries, make sure it's dry before you drop it. And now I have more volume over here on this side. See? And I pretty much just did that all over to give it more volume. Basically just teasing the roots. If y'all don't know by now, I love me some big juicy hair. So I could recurl this wig to give it more volume. I don't really feel like doing that right now, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. I like it like this. I do love the layers that it came with. I mentioned this plenty of times before. I absolutely love layers. I love when a wig frames my face. And just some transparency, I probably will be cutting this wig just a little bit. I do think it's a little too long for me. I feel like it's a very awkward length right now. I really want to cut about an inch off, like just to right here, so it's more shoulder length and accentuates my collarbone a little bit more. But for the sake of this video and showing y'all what the wig looks like as is, this is how it looks. What do you think? I love the layer, and I love the way that LUVME is incorporating all of these different styles into their glueless wigs. So now you can just pick a style and throw it on and go. This one is giving very boss lady, very elegant and simple. In my opinion, it's a great everyday wig. But you let me know what you think down in the comment section below. That is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the Soulful Shenanigans channel. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. So definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. All of the details for this wig plus the direct link will be down in the description box below. If you are interested in purchasing this wig or any wig from LUVME Hair, make sure that you use my coupon code to save yourself 28% off of this and future orders. We are big supporters of LUVME Hair over here on this channel. They not only respect and listen to me, but they also respect and listen to my audience, you guys. So make sure you are utilizing this coupon code, this discount, so that we can encourage them to create even more deals for us. Again, thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video, especially all the way to the end. You are appreciated. Alright, make sure you check out that description box, and I will see you all in the next video.